scientists agree why people get hiccups, but scientists do agree on what they are. This is what happens when we hiccup. We take in air because of muscle spasms in our chest and throat. The diaphragm tightens and then pulls air into the lungs. The loud noise comes from our breath being cut off by the glottis shutting. Glottis is the opening between the vocal cords. There are many cures to hiccups, and I will be testing some of them out. The first cure is to suck on a lemon. The next one is to drink a glass of water upside down. Now, I'm going to spin it in circles. Another cure is to chew gum. The last one is to control your breathing. Breathe in, breathe out.